Speed is one of those things all fiddle players hope to achieve, and with a little practice, you can definitely get there. So whether you'd like to play tunes faster to join in on a jam session, to perform on stage, or simply for fun, I have some exercises that you can start practicing today to help you out. Hi, I'm Lauren, a professional violinist and fiddle player currently living in Nashville, Tennessee, and I help thousands of people achieve their violin and fiddle goals. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. We would love to have you here. Now, this is going to be a practice style video, so before we get started, head on over to my website and grab my free printable sheet so that you can follow along with these exercises I'm about to show you. Now that you have the sheet music in front of you, these exercises can be used as a warm-up, and you're welcome to increase the speed as needed to improve speed and dexterity. We're going to be playing these exercises in the key of G major, but you're welcome to practice these in any key. They can be transposed and applied to any key that you're working on. So let's play this first exercise together at 45 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to play that same exercise at 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving on to exercise number 2 at 45 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now at 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now moving on to the last exercise, exercise number 3 at 45 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. And at 60, 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you have it, some exercises to practice your speed. Hopefully you're feeling a little bit more confident in your abilities now and can continue to practice these exercises for continued improvement. If the tempos I demonstrated today were either too slow or too fast, I would encourage you to practice these exercises on your own at multiple speeds so that you can find the ideal speed for you for maximum benefit. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy practicing!